happy birthday! I hope to see you soon. Mag-iingat ka palagi and enjoy your day. Mwah.
Hi, Erwin. Erwin John Villarreal. Your sister Erin asked me to give you a birthday greeting, and I just want to greet you a happy 25th birthday. Wow, a quarter of a century-year old. I want to wish you a happy birthday, say God bless, and thank you for all the support. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Hi Erwin John, this is Johan. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. May God bless you more. And sana ma-enjoy mo tong birthday mo. And sana bigyan ka pa niya ng maraming birthday. And of course, be thankful sa sister mo for doing this. She's so kind for this and super sweet. Ayun lang. I hope you enjoy your day. And again, may God bless you more. See you soon!
Hello, Erwin John. This is Michael Bristol. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best, and may the Lord continue to bless you and grant you all your heart's desire. Enjoy this day, and I hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hi, EJ Villarreal. Gusto lang kita batiin ng happy birthday and enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you so much sa support and love. See you soon.
Hi Erwin John, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana lahat ay matupad, ingat ka palagi, and thanks to your kapatid. Okay? Happy birthday. See you soon. God bless.
Hello Erwin John Villarreal. Sana natutuwa ka ngayon napapanood mo tong video na to. Napakagaling ng kapatid mo dahil siya yung nag-reach out para makontak ako. Yeah. And thank you so much sa support mo. Actually, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Super na-appreciate namin yun. Dahil, syempre, aspiring idol pa lang din naman kami. And, I just wanna say happy birthday or advance happy birthday sa'yo. Sana makatulong tong video na to para maging maganda ang araw mo. And, of course, sana maganda ang mapuntahan mong path sa mga susunod na buwan, sa mga susunod na taon, and sana magkita tayo soon kapag may time tayo parehas. Yeah. So, happy birthday again. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw ng birthday mo. Bye!
Hi Erwin, I just want to wish you a happy 25th birthday. Wishing you all the best, love, prosperity, happiness. I hope you have a wonderful birthday, a wonderful year ahead, and a great life.
Okay na ba? Hello EJ, happy birthday. Sorry late ako masyado nag-send dito kasi late ko na rin na-read yung message niya, pero happy birthday. Galing pa ako sa bar ng party. Basta, happy birthday. Love you.
Hello Erwin John Villarreal, EJ. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi and God bless you. Tinganda.
Hello EJ, thanks for supporting me palagi. Happiest birthday to you. I hope to see you soon and mag-iingat ka palagi and yun, enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Bye-bye.
Hi EJ, this is Aaron from Sparks Camp and I am wishing you a happy 25th birthday. And I am so sorry sa friend mo na si Erin. Ang dami niya ng message tapos ngayon ko lang na-view. Happy 25th birthday again. I am wishing you all the best in life and I hope to see you soon.
Magandang araw, EJ Villarreal. I heard that it's your birthday and I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for all the support and all the love. I hope you had more birthdays to come and enjoy your day. Thank you so much.
Hi EJ Villarreal, happy birthday sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi and more birthday to come. God bless you.
Ay, wala ako. Happy birthday, EJ. First of all, magpasalamat ka sa kapatid mo because she reached out to me matagal na through an email and it's very sweet, very thoughtful. And I kind of found it really sweet kaya ako sumagot rin and sumasagot naman talaga ako pag may time. I just wanna greet you happy birthday. I don't know if trentahin ka na rin because I am. The day before you is my birthday, July 16. So, happy birthday sa atin dalawa. I'm turning 30. So, I guess this realization, it's either we share it or it's a years advance of you realizing it. But I think in 30s, we stop dreaming of, I mean, we don't stop dreaming, but we stop kind of going all out, reaching the dream, because the dream is now. Feeling. I mean, like, I guess, nandito na tayo sa point that life is life, and it's for you to experience and to respond. It's like music that you have to dance with. As long as you do everything, don't push don't push it to the point na nakakasira na siya ng utak. Gusto ko yung nag-reflect. I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy life. Dance to the music of life. As I try to. And yeah, enjoy your family. Enjoy what's now. Enjoy what's your life now, right now. While, of course, actually, promise ko na rin to sa sarili. Never will I ever quit on my dream. So, you should too.
Hello, EJ Villarreal. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi and sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Yun lang, God bless you.
Hi Kuya EJ, this is Jave Cabrera. Narinig ko, sabi sa akin na birthday mo daw. So, binabati kita ng happy birthday kuya. I wish ko lang sana maging successful. More blessings to come din. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Yun lang ay nasabi din sa akin na fan daw kita. So maraming salamat sa patuloy mong pagsuporta hanggang ngayon. And sana mag-meet tayo balang araw kay EJ. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo EJ. Happy birthday.
Hi Erwin John, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you and hope to meet you soon.
Hi EJ! Sorry, Hi EJ! Happy birthday po! Hope to meet you soon. God bless always at God bless always. God bless po always. Hope to meet you soon.
Hi, Erwin John Villarreal. It's Tony here. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day. Thank you so much for supporting me. It means the world to me. Ingat ka lagi. God bless. And I hope your wish comes true. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy 25th birthday to EJ Villarreal. I hope that you will have more successes and good health, more wealth, and lots of love in your life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy 25th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 25th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 25th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday kuya.
Happy birthday.
Happy 25th birthday.
Happiest birthday to you.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
A happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the stars burn tonight.
Hi Kuya EJ, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Ano pa bang dapat kong sabihin? Sabi ni Mother, magka-jowa ka na daw. Yung magka-jowa ka na daw. Thank you for supporting Muji. Alam ko naman you're always there for me. So, ikaw na yung tatay, yung panganay dahil si Kuya ay nagwo-work. Happy birthday. I don't want to be emotional kasi alam mo naman, mababa ang luha ko. Basta you know how much I love you all. Look after bunso, don't forget. And also, alam mo na yun, basta Diyan ka lang. Thank you for supporting me as well. I love you. Mwah. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday.